Hello students, today we are going to see a question from the June 2024 P1 paper. So the first question is, it is an integration question. It is a simple integration. So first of all we need to simplify this algebraic expression, then only we can able to do the integration. So first I have to take it as all the x term to the numerator. So we can able to write it as 10x to the power 4, then minus 3 by 2 x to the power minus 3, then minus 7. So now this algebraic expression is ready for that integration. So I just write it as that integral simple and then dx. So each time I need to integrate it separately. So this is 10 times x to the power 4 plus 1 divided by 4 plus 1, then minus 3 by 2 times x to the power minus 3 plus 1 divided by minus 3 plus 1, then minus 7x. Then this is a indefinite integral because here there is no limits are given, so we need to add that integral constant plus c. Now we need to reduce it. This is 10 x to the power 5 divided by 5 minus 3 by 2 x to the power minus 2 divided by minus 2, then minus 7x plus c. Then finally we need to write the simplification. So that simplification, it is 1 times 5 and this is 2 times 5 is 10. So this is 2x to the power 5, then plus 3 by 4 x to the power minus 2 minus 7x plus c. So this integral constant plus c is very important because it is the indefinite integral. Now we can move to the second question. Second question, it is based on indices, right? So if you are seeing in this line, they mention given that m is equal to 2 power n, but in this question they mentioned like 2n plus 3. So we need to write in terms of m. So we need to simplify this term in terms of m. So when we are simplifying this one, we know that if two powers are added, then we can able to change it like two same base numbers are having the two powers within that multiplication. So we can able to write like this. Then we know that the 2 power n is denoted as m. So this is m times 2 power 3, as usual it is 8. So the simplified version is 8m. That's it. So then it is 16 3 power n. So then we can able to simplify. We need to make the base of 2. So for that we need to write it as the 16 can be written as 2 to the power 4 and the whole power 3n. So we can able to write again it is 2 to the power 12n. So we can make it as 12 to the power n and the whole, it is 2 power n, 2 power n and the whole power 12. So our answer will be 2 power n is m. So this is m power 12. Okay, so this is a way of simplification. So this is 16. We can able to write it as 2 to the power 4 is the 16. Then it is 3n. Power upon power, we can able to write it as 12n. Finally, we can able to split the 2 power. What are the things are in multiplication, that can be written as power upon power. So it comes like m to the power 12, right? So that's all about the 2b. Now we need to know that the second part of that question number 2. So we need to say all the steps in the question. So here the solution relying on the calculator technology are not acceptable. So you need to write all the steps in your answers. So here there is a equation in terms of the surds, and we need to give our simplified answer in terms of p plus q root 3. So that is the second part of question number 2. So I just write it, that question. X root 3 minus 3 is equal to x plus root 3. So first of all I can take the x terms one side and the numbers other side. So when I am taking this x to the left hand side, it will be minus x. When I am taking that 3 to the right hand side, it will be plus 3. So because this is minus 3, when it goes to the right hand side it will be plus 3, so it is 3 plus root 3. So if we are taking that x commonly outside from here, it comes like root 3 minus 1 is equal to 3 plus root 3. So they asked you to solve this equation, so that's why we need to identify the x value. So the x value is equal to 3 plus root 3 divided by root 3 minus 1. So now we need to simplify this one, but we can't able to use the calculator directly. We need to write all the steps. So that's why we need to follow the rationalizing denominator. Rationalizing denominator, in the sense it is root 3 minus 1, so we need to write it as root 3 plus 1, and in the numerator also we can write it as root 3 plus 1. The numerator we need to expand it. So this is 3 times root 3 plus 1 and plus root 3 times root 3 plus 1, then divided by, so in the denominator we can able to see this is a minus b times a plus b, so we can able to write it as a square minus b square. So that is a simplified way of that a minus b and a plus b. So now we can write our final answer. So this is 3 root 3, then plus 3 plus, again it is 3 plus root 3 divided by root 3 square is 3 and minus 1. So I am going to write this place. So this will be 3 root 3 and root 3 is 4 root 3 plus 6 divided by 3 minus 1 is 2. So now you know this 2 is common for the two numbers. So 4 root 3 divided by 2 plus 6 divided by 2, that is equal to 2 root 3 plus this will be 3. So 2 root 3 plus 3, that will be the answer. So that is the thing we need to show in our question, right? So we need to write in the form of p plus q root 3. So we are getting that answer as 2 root 3 plus 3. So when we are writing in the same format, we can write 3 plus 2 root 3. That's it. That is our answer.